Alright, let's be honest. How many of you have gotten these annoying notifications on your phones and your system telling you that you are running low on storage and you need to free up some more space? There are several free cloud storage platforms that you can use, like OneDrive, like TeraBox, like Mega, and so much more, and also Google Drive. And for a very long time, I've been saving my files, my photos, my videos on Google Drive. And as my files kept getting larger, I saw the need to switch to a better platform, which then I discovered TeraBox. So I stopped using Google Drive for a platform called TeraBox, which is faster, cheaper, and a more secure alternative. And I tell you, so far, so good. It's been a game changer. Now let me clear this out of the way. I'm not sponsored by TeraBox. I just see it as a better alternative to Google Drive, and I just want to help you guys make the best tech decisions. Now let's compare side by side between Google Drive and TeraBox in terms of the storage, the security, the speed, and its performance. Now by default, anyone that makes use of a Gmail account has access to Google Drive, which comes with about 15 gigabytes of free storage where you can save your files, your photos, your videos, your Gmail, and every other thing that you want to keep secure. You can save it on Google Drive platform, which has 15 gigabytes of storage. Currently, you can see that I've exhausted about 87% of my free storage. This platform that I discovered, TeraBox, gives 1 terabyte of free storage just by signing up. You get 1024 gigabytes of storage and some other things that you can get, like large file upload of up to 4 gigabytes, parallel download. You can also restore your files. It has a vault and several other things, but the game changer is it gives you 1 terabyte of free storage. These are some advanced features, like for the premium service and the premium plus. This one comes with 2 terabytes of storage, but you don't need to pay for any storage. Just by registering on this platform, you get this free 1 terabyte of storage where you can save your files and so much more. Now when it comes to privacy, TeraBox takes a different approach. They use a very high level encryption to save your files, so your files will not be prone to hackers. Now I also ran some tests and uploaded 1 gigabyte of video file on both services, and Google Drive took about 8 minutes 23 seconds, while TeraBox took about 4 minutes 12 seconds, and that's literally twice as fast. And downloading is also the same. TeraBox doesn't slow down your downloading speed. You get the same amount of speed based on your internet connection, whether you're on the free plan or the paid plan. TeraBox works seamlessly across Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android devices, and the app is clean, intuitive, and just easy to work with. Now you can see right over here in my TeraBox app, I have uploaded a few files to it, and if you see down here, you can see I've used 24.3 gigabytes out of the 1 terabyte that I'm being given, and there is space for me to also add more files. So if you come to the platform here, all you just need to do is to upload either a file or a folder. When you upload a file, it can run in the background, and you can also upload folder. But when it comes to the free plan, the folder's limit is 4 gigabytes. So if you're uploading a single file, the thing should not exceed 4 gigabytes. And also the free plan comes with some drawbacks like advertisements, but that's not the problem as long as you are getting access to the 1 terabyte of free storage. And I find the platform more cleaner and more intuitive than Google Drive, and everything is exactly where you want it to be. So sharing file is very simple. You just click on the file that you want and you can go ahead and share. You can copy the link and send it to your friends. Anything you save on this platform is secured. Now, ever since switching to TeraBox, I've not had to disturb myself about storage limits, because all I need to do is to back up my files to TeraBox and it stays there forever. So I can go ahead and delete it from my phone or my system, as long as I know that it's safely secured on TeraBox. And that peace of mind is really worth it when you add the cost savings, the performance, and the speed, including the encryption and the security that TeraBox offers. It's a no-brainer. Now do well to hit the like button if this video helped you out, and you can check the description where I'll drop the link to the TeraBox where you can register and get your free 1 terabyte right now. And if you are yet to subscribe, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification. I make videos on cutting edge AI and tech innovations. Thank you. I'll see you next time.